Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of sanitizing and disinfecting my home. Now I have 3 parts to this because the kids have been home for about a week and a half. So every time I cleaned up, there was always a mess afterwards. So I decided to break this up and give myself that breathing room because, like I said, I felt like every time I cleaned, I woke up the next morning and everything was chaotic again. But this was actually a Friday. My stepkids went back to their mom. My son was actually still with his father. He was going to be back home that Sunday. My husband was at work. The dog was outside. I had the whole house to myself, so I decided to go ahead and clean up the kitchen and the dining room. I had to mop and clean windows. I had a lot to do here just because these areas right here, like this is where we come in from. And then the kitchen, I felt like had the majority of the mess just because the kids are hungry like every second of the day. So I had dishes, I had just snacks out on the counter. It was just a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope it gives you the motivation, and I hope that y'all are staying safe. If you are new to my channel, you do not know that I live in the South. I live in Alabama, and it is pollen season, y'all. This door was just so nasty. I'm so glad I wiped it down. The other day, I had also wiped down the table that we have out on our porch there. It was so disgusting. I cannot stand pollen season, but I'm so glad that I wiped down that door because, you know, the kids are coming in and out, like I said, and they're touching that. And then my stepdaughter, she has severe allergies. Every time she goes outside to play, she comes back in, her eyes are itching, she is sneezing, and we always have to give her Claritin. So yeah, pollen season is horrible down here, guys.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
You guys, these pillars right here I noticed had handprints, little handprints, so I know that the kids are grabbing onto these and like kind of spinning themselves, not so much like climbing on them, but they are grabbing them and then spinning around. So there were little dirty handprints all over these, so I went ahead and wiped them down.
come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it light. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Come live a little bit of what you dream. Don't get stuck in what you cannot be. About time you drop that fight. When the heat be rising and we still gliding, nothing's gonna change how we feel. It's a wondrous ride. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Loco paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
Alright y'all, I hope this video gave y'all some motivation to get up and clean your space, tackle your space, disinfect, sanitize, whatever the case may be. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my YouTube journey. Alright guys, that is it, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving